Hi guys, welcome back to channel. Today we are discussing about Iraq visa. Earlier I made a video about how to apply Iraqi visa. So in this section I am explaining what are the details you should know before applying the visa and how to make the visa fee and what are the documents you need to arrange for applying the visa. Before starting the section, if you are watching my channel first time, please subscribe. From the personal service, from here select first time issuance, then we can start to apply the visa. And from here you can see there are some important information they are mentioned here. Please make sure to activate payment card for electronic payment. For after the submission, this section we have to make the visa fee, and visa fee we can make by our credit or debit card. That option will be available, but most of the people are getting errors while trying to make the payment, is getting declined. The reason actually in Iraq there are some of the card will not accept, so you have to keep on try with different card, and any one card will be accept. It's not like they will inform us to make the payment by bank. It's not like that. You have to make by card payment only. So you can try, mostly credit card will be acceptable, and try with credit card, it will be go through it. The documents requirement for applying Iraqi visa. First of all, we need a local sponsor from Iraq, either Iraqi citizen or legal resident. So you have to take his local ID, and for the resident you have to take resident visa copy or a resident ID with passport copy, and you have to take Iraq local contact number, email ID, and his address. That is very important document for applying any type of visa. And from your side you have to arrange passport copy. Passport should be valid minimum 6 months, one photo with white background, and your health certificate. Health fitness certificate is mainly for, you have to do the blood test, and you have to take that certificate also. They will ask for attach in some cases. And you have to take, if you are going to stay in hotel, and you have to take the hotel voucher we need to upload, and any document related to the work. If you are working, if you are self-employed, then based on your company documents you have to arrange, and this all document we need to upload, then only it will be go through it. So this is very important, and actually in this portal only allows some particular purpose you can apply the visa, and public it actually access for business purpose or visiting a relative. Having a relatives in Iraq, you can use that option, or else if you are going for business purpose, then you can go through business meeting, and you have to attach invitation letter from Iraq, and it should be in Arabic. So these are the basic two purpose you can use it. Unfortunately, tourism is not listed here, and tourism you have to approach directly some local sponsor in Iraq, or you have to approach some tourism company based in Iraq. They can help you on that. From this portal only allow you to apply some particular purpose, especially for the public it will be access for the business or visiting relatives. There are other particular purpose also, like CEO of company, born in Iraq. There are some other option also that is not access for everyone. That's why I mentioned. And from here you have to select request approval from the residency directorate and place a submission, it particularly where you are locating on the basis. And here you can see we have to select here a governorate, which part of Iraq you are going to visit, and make sure your sponsor from the same governorate. I am just selecting here Baghdad. You have to select from as per your requirement, and purpose of entry you can see here. They are listed here. You can see born in Iraq, and there are some particularly student kind of thing, contractor with the Iraqi government. That is not access for actually everyone, so you can use business if you are going for business purpose. That's a good option. And there are other information they mentioned, truck and tanker drivers. That is particularly only focusing the particular people. That's the reason. and here I'm just selecting here business. I'm selecting visa type by default ordinary and border type airport, and once click on next, and we have to fill further details and we have to upload our documents, and the payment is coming approximately 160 US dollar, and we have to make payment by local currency Iraqi dinar. We have to make the payment, and from here add beneficiary, then you have to add sponsor detail, then there is a review option coming, then you have to submit, make the payment, final submission completed, then you have to wait for the update from the consulate, from the government. And this portal is allowing two options for applying visa. One is C visa, that is we discussed, and another one for visa on arrival category, that is for also e-visa, but that category you don't need to make a login ID, particular login ID. So there are some listed nationality they mention here. They are only eligible for applying visa on arrival, mostly from Europe and USA passport holders. So they have to go through this option, visa on arrival category. No need to make login ID and do the things. So visa on arrival is quite very straightforward, and you can apply tourism also, and visa fee is same. Hope you guys understand about Iraq visa details, how to apply, what are document requirement, and how to make the payment. Any question, any doubt, you can put on comment. Thank you for watching. We'll see you on a section. Thank you.